12 survival gadgets that are on the next level. In a world where technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, survival gadgets have evolved to meet the demands of modern adventurers and emergency preparedness. These cutting-edge tools go beyond traditional gear, incorporating innovative features that enhance functionality and efficiency in challenging situations. From portable water filtration straws to solar-powered water purifiers, tactical flashlights with multiple functions to biometric locks, this compilation of 12 survival gadgets showcases the next level of ingenuity in the quest for self-sufficiency and resilience. Join us as we explore these advanced devices designed to tackle the unexpected and provide essential solutions for those navigating the great outdoors or preparing for emergencies. Number 12. Solar-powered water purifier. The solar-powered water purifier represents a remarkable advancement in survival technology, addressing the fundamental need for access to clean drinking water in remote or emergency situations. This innovative gadget harnesses solar energy to power a water purification system, ensuring a sustainable and independent source of potable water. The device typically uses advanced filtration and purification methods, effectively removing contaminants and pathogens from various water sources. The solar-powered water purifier exemplifies a self-sufficient and efficient solution for ensuring hydration in challenging environments where conventional water sources may be compromised. Number 11. Multi-tool bracelet. The multi-tool bracelet is a versatile and wearable survival gadget that combines functionality with convenience. Designed to resemble a stylish bracelet, it unfolds to reveal an array of tools essential for various tasks. These may include screwdrivers, hex wrenches, and cutting tools, providing a compact yet comprehensive toolkit for users. This gadget is particularly favored by outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and individuals who prioritize preparedness. Its discreet and lightweight nature makes it easy to carry, ensuring that essential tools are always on hand for unexpected situations. The multi-tool bracelet exemplifies a fusion of practicality and style, offering a convenient and accessible solution for those who value versatility in their everyday carry gear. Number 10. Biometric Locks. Biometric locks represent a high-tech evolution in security and are a cutting-edge survival gadget. These locks utilize advanced biometric technology, typically fingerprint recognition, to provide secure access to personal belongings, gear, or shelters. The inclusion of biometrics ensures that only authorized individuals with registered fingerprints can unlock the device, enhancing security in emergency situations. Biometric locks are often portable and can be used on items like backpacks, safes, or survival containers. The elimination of traditional keys or codes reduces the risk of unauthorized access, making these locks an ideal choice for those prioritizing both convenience and security in their survival gear. In essence, biometric locks offer a modern and efficient means of safeguarding essential items, adding a layer of sophistication to personal security strategies. Number 9. Portable solar charger. The portable solar charger is a practical and eco-friendly survival gadget designed to harness the power of the sun to charge electronic devices. Compact and lightweight, it typically consists of solar panels that convert sunlight into energy, which is then stored in an integrated battery. This stored energy can be used to charge a variety of devices such as smartphones, tablets, or GPS units, providing a reliable power source in outdoor or emergency situations. The portability of these chargers makes them ideal for backpackers, campers, or anyone in need of a sustainable energy solution off the grid. The portable solar charger exemplifies the fusion of modern technology and renewable energy, offering a convenient and green alternative for keeping essential devices powered during outdoor adventures or unforeseen circumstances. Number 8. Smart Compass. The Smart Compass is a next-level survival gadget that transcends the traditional navigation tool by incorporating advanced features and technology. In addition to providing accurate directional information, a Smart Compass often integrates GPS functionality, weather updates, and digital displays. This multifunctional device enhances navigation capabilities by offering real-time information about your location, the surrounding terrain, and atmospheric conditions. The inclusion of digital features ensures greater precision and convenience, making it an invaluable tool for hikers, adventurers, and survivalists. The Smart Compass exemplifies the fusion of traditional navigation tools with modern technology, providing users with comprehensive and up-to-date information to navigate confidently in diverse environments. Number 7. Emergency radio with hand crank. The emergency radio with a hand crank is a crucial survival gadget designed to provide communication and information in challenging situations. This portable radio features a manual hand crank that allows users to generate power when traditional power sources are unavailable. This self-sufficient power solution ensures that individuals can stay informed during emergencies by tuning into weather updates, emergency broadcasts, and important information. With additional power options such as solar panels and battery backups, this radio becomes a reliable lifeline during power outages or remote locations, Its compact design and versatile power sources make the emergency radio with a hand crank an essential tool for emergency preparedness, ensuring access to critical information when it's needed most. Number 6. Tactical flashlight with multiple functions. The tactical flashlight with multiple functions is a cutting-edge survival gadget that goes beyond traditional illumination, serving as a versatile tool for various scenarios. Engineered with robust features, this flashlight often includes strobe modes, self-defense capabilities, and built-in tools like glass breakers. In addition to providing a powerful beam of light for navigation in low-light conditions, the tactical flashlight's multifunctionality enhances its utility in emergency situations. The strobe modes can be used for signaling or disorienting potential threats, while the self-defense features offer a means of protection. The inclusion of tools like glass breakers makes this flashlight an indispensable companion in car emergencies. Compact and durable, the tactical flashlight with multiple functions is a modern survival essential, combining illumination with practical tools for enhanced safety and preparedness. Number 5. Collapsible Shelter. A collapsible shelter stands out as an essential survival gadget, offering a versatile solution for individuals navigating unpredictable environments. Designed to be easily packed and transported, this shelter provides quick and efficient protection against the elements. Whether facing sudden weather changes during outdoor adventures or in emergency situations, the collapsible shelter unfolds to provide a reliable haven, shielding individuals from rain, wind, or extreme temperatures. Its portability makes it an invaluable asset for those on the move, offering a compact yet effective means of establishing temporary refuge when needed most. This gadget exemplifies the marriage of convenience and preparedness, ensuring that individuals can swiftly deploy a shelter for enhanced survival and comfort in diverse scenarios. Number 4. Personal Water Desalinator. The Personal Water Desalinator is a groundbreaking survival gadget that addresses the critical need for fresh water in maritime or coastal environments. This compact and portable device is designed to convert seawater into safe, drinkable water through desalination. Using advanced filtration technology, effectively removes salt and other impurities, providing a reliable source of hydration in situations where access to fresh water is limited. The Personal Water Desalinator is a game-changer for sailors, adventurers, and individuals in emergency scenarios, offering a self-sufficient and life-saving solution to ensure hydration in even the most challenging and water-scarce conditions. Number 3. Firestarter with USB Charger. The Firestarter with a USB charger is a versatile and innovative survival gadget that combines two essential functionalities in one compact tool. On one hand, it serves as a reliable fire starter, allowing users to ignite fires easily in various conditions. This is particularly valuable in outdoor and emergency scenarios where the ability to create a fire quickly is crucial for warmth, cooking, and signaling. Simultaneously, the USB charger feature transforms the gadget into a power source for electronic devices. Using the energy generated during the fire starting process, the USB charger can power smartphones, GPS devices, or other USB-compatible gadgets. This dual functionality makes the Firestarter with USB charger an invaluable tool for modern survivalists and outdoor enthusiasts to stay connected and powered up in challenging situations. Its compact design ensures it takes up minimal space in a survival kit, making it a practical and efficient solution for those who prioritize versatility in their gear. Number 2. Emergency Blankets with Insulation Technology. Emergency blankets with insulation technology represent a pinnacle in survival gear, providing a crucial layer of protection against the elements in a remarkably compact form. These lightweight, reflective blankets are designed to trap and reflect body heat, preventing hypothermia in challenging conditions. The insulation technology within these blankets ensures that individuals stay warm and retain their body heat, making them indispensable in emergency situations, outdoor adventures, or during unexpected exposure to the elements. Their compact size allows for easy inclusion in any survival kit, making them an essential gadget for those prioritizing preparedness and resilience in the face of adversity. Number 1. Portable Water Filtration Straw. The portable water filtration straw is a groundbreaking survival gadget that has revolutionized the way individuals secure access to safe drinking water in challenging environments. Compact and lightweight, this ingenious device has become an indispensable tool for adventurers, hikers, and emergency preparedness. At its core, the water filtration straw operates on a simple yet highly effective principle. It enables users to drink directly from various water sources while removing harmful contaminants. Designed with a built-in filtration system, this straw can purify water from rivers, lakes, and even questionable puddles, transforming it into clean, potable water. One of the key advantages of this survival gadget is its portability. Traditional water purification methods often involve bulky equipment or chemicals, making them impractical for individuals on the move. The water filtration straw, however, can be easily carried in a backpack or even a pocket, ensuring that users have a reliable means of obtaining safe water wherever their journey takes them. The filtration process is usually rapid, allowing for immediate consumption without the need for time-consuming procedures. Many of these straws are designed to filter out a wide range of contaminants, including bacteria, parasites, and microorganisms, providing a comprehensive solution for water safety. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.